So you've lifted your last panel for the day. So now at the end of the working shift, you can switch the machine off. Now's the time you can drain the water trap if there's any water in there, taking care to protect this plastic screw from over tightening and cross threading, as I mentioned earlier. And then the machine needs to be put away in the transport box for storage. So to do that, take the machine apart, and it's just a reversal of the assembly. Remove the suction hoses from the machine. Safety straps away from the end of the roof arms. Take the locking pins out of the extension arms of the roof arms, slide those out. Now they need to go in the transport box, as I mentioned at the beginning, with the suction pads facing upwards. Make sure the pads are not on the bottom of the transport box. And you can top and tail those so the suction pads are separated. That allows the seals to recover their shape throughout the evening or between using sessions. Any extension arms can go in there as well. Safety straps. And then finally the machine itself. I'll just show you again how to put that into the box. So you're just gently lowering the machine so this beam at the bottom of the Clad Boy sits in this saddle here. Okay, so now if you want to leave this in this position between working shifts or working sessions, you can do that. I mean, this cabinet now is upright, and that's the best position for it to protect itself or to be protected from the weather. Any rainwater that comes and falls on the machine can't find its way in the cabinet. But it's better still if you would now fold this flat back down to the box. So you need to release this pivot pin again and carefully fold it down, taking the weight of the machine. Now, if you close the lids on the transport box, that fully protects the machine from any weather. And if you need to charge it while it's in the transport box, you can still work the lead out of the box on the side here and connect it to a power supply. And that's obviously how you pack the machine away again when you're finished with it and it's off-hired, and we can arrange to collect the machine then. So any questions you have about using this machine, please don't hesitate to call us, and we can provide further information or further support if you need it. So thank you for watching these videos.